Hey everyone, we just grabbed the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, which is now a great budget premium phone since Samsung discontinued it. We got it at a good price online, so definitely wait for a sale or some discounts from online sellers before you buy. Even in 2025, this phone still packs enough power and style for daily use, or as a reliable backup device. It's perfect if you want flagship level features without paying flagship prices. Let's open it up quickly and see what you get.